Theodos Karachalios. In my main job, I work in Hellenic Air Force as a fighter pilot, but I also have a great expertise in drone operations, and that's why I'm here today, so I can speak to you about the U-Space. I am building drones and fly drones since 2010, and during the past times it was very easy to fly. Without asking no one, you can took your drone, go near an airport and fly. So this is dangerous. It's dangerous to have drones and manned aircraft to come close. That's why, because drones in 2026 are everywhere. They're in agriculture, in emergency response, in mapping, inspections, in logistics. So they grow a lot, and you can see it in every aspect, near the city, outside the city, near you, near airports, wherever. So the common question we have in our drone expert society community is, how do we allow so many drones to fly safely without creating a risk for people or manned aircraft? So U-Space is Europe's answer to that question. Okay. So what is U-Space in simple terms? It's U-Space is a digital traffic management system. It's like having air traffic operators in airport, but they are digital. It's an online version of the manned air traffic control. And it's designed specifically to work with drones that fly in low altitude, and instead of relying in voice communication, everything is digital, from flight authorization, from identification, from tracking, and the most important, from automatic conflict management. Okay, everything is pre-planned and drones can avoid each other. So the U-Space, what it does, it allows many drones to fly and operate at the same time, safely and predictably. That's the main thing of the U-Space. So, how does U-Space works in practice? Okay, we have an operator. She wants to fly his drone, so he submits a digital flight plan. The system automatically checks airspace rules. Maybe the operator wants to fly near an airport, but at that time there's a lot of traffic activity, so there are restrictions. So the system automatically checks if it's safe to fly, and it authorizes automatically the drone. So this is before flight. After flight, every drone is identifiable. We know that the drone that filed that flight plan is that one in the map, so we know where the drones are. Its position is shared between all the users of the U-Space, so every drone operator know where are the other drones. And the most important, it can receive real-time information and instruction, such as to have a lower altitude limit, or to land, or to go to a different route, so it can avoid other drones that are bigger, or to avoid manned aircraft. Okay, so this type of mission creates order and predictability, as we said, which is essential for safety. Okay, what about the relationship with manned aircraft? Okay, U-Space, no one needs a drone to fly into an Airbus A320. So, what's the relationship with manned aircraft? Okay, U-Space is the answer to the safe coexistence between drones and manned aviation. Okay, so it monitors drones near airports. It keeps away from landing path or departure path. Another example is when a helicopter of the police want to fly low level off, or an emergency response team wants to fly through a drone area, U-Space can keep clear the drones from that path, and it's more safe for the police. So U-Space, it's a real-time notification to drones to help the path to get clear for the manned aircraft. Okay, so U-Space ensures that the drones adapt to the manned aircrafts, not the other way around. Okay, so manned aircrafts are top priority, and the drones are adapt to those plans. Okay, so what U-Space help us do that was hard before? Okay, With U-Space, we can fly BVLOS. BVLOS is flights that are going beyond the horizon. It's drones that can fly 10, 20, 30 kilometers, and the drone operator can see them. So now we can have these flights. We can have an operator in the land and can inspect the ship 30 kilometers into the sea. We can have electricity or a technician that can inspect lines over the mountains beyond the horizon. Also, we can have drone operations in urban environments. Inside cities, the space is very limited, and there are a lot of efforts for drones that deliver goods or for deliver food. So, in the next years, we'll have a lot of traffic inside the cities. Okay, so U-Space help those operations to become from unsafe to possible. Okay, so, why U-Space matters for the future? Okay, U-Space, when it was designed, it wasn't about adding more digital bureaucracy. It was about scaling drone operations safely, like the way we have roads, traffic lights, and the policeman in the cities, so they can help more cars to navigate safely. That's U-Space. It's a plan to add more drones safely into the context of manned aviation. Okay. Uh, so, closing, uh, I would like to add that U-Space is a digital tool that helps simple guys that fly drones, companies, operators, whoever owns a drone for the myriad applications they have from agriculture, inspections, emergency response to be integrated into the bigger and professional airspace that have manned aircraft. So, U-Space is not the future of drones, it's the future of airspace because it makes the manned and unmanned flights to be combined safely every day in everyday operations. I hope I give you a clue about what is U-Space and hope in the future I can be able to add more in that topic. Thank you very much.